How's everybody doing? Did you guys see that how far that trade ripped down straight to our price target last night? After it stopped us out? You see how insane that was? Can you guys hear me? Good? Everybody? Can you guys hear me? Oh, sorry guys, I don't know why I went mute. I was asking if you guys could hear me. Check, can everybody hear me? Nice. Well, welcome to today's stream. Let's fix this a little bit. Alright. So, I was looking at the market pretty closely today, and honestly, we just chopped a lot. So, again, I'm just gonna be patient going into this session. We can see what we will get. Literally, guys, look at this. So, we were in shorts. We got filled at 50. It came up, tested 80, and then proceeded to push down all the way. I mean, it ended up pushing all the way down to 728, and we got in at 850. So, our bias was right that we were going to continue going down. We just didn't really have good execution, and the market didn't agree with where we got in. Do you like it better zoomed in or zoomed out? What's up, guys? Let's get that 15 points back that we lost yesterday. What the hell are my accounts? Not sure where my accounts are. Let's go try to be window. getting a little bit of a dump off the open, huh? Party close. We hit 28. We started pushing down. We fell below VWAP. Ideally, I'd like to see us out of this range from here to here. So this 2057 to this 982. No, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting. I was just telling you what I'd like to see. You know, maybe we don't get the breaks above or below those, but just anticipation. I'm gonna turn my main lights off. So the reason why I don't really like the 25,000 bounce is because we've just been chopping through it all day, so it doesn't really make it as significant for me. Does that make sense? How are we looking on the hourly? Check that out. Can I have a trend line here? So we kind of have these trend lines going on. Let's see how they look on the 15-minute. So ideally, I'd like to see a breakout of them. Yeah, it is a bull flag on the hourly. I don't know. We'll wait, see what we can get. I know it's not being shown. It's only shown on my it's only shown on Discord. I don't chart on TradingView. I chart on Thinkorswim. I trade both. I trade New York and Asia. Nice. We might honestly get a choppy session just because we do have FOMC tomorrow. Yeah, we typically do random stuff. The 35. So that was just an area. Where did my 35 come from? Let me see. It might have been on there from. That was yesterday's high. Yeah, that was just a level from yesterday. We were respecting it. Yesterday's high up here. That's where that came from. I didn't mean to have it on there though. I think we might want to break to the upside, but it's tough to say right now. Kind of just gotta wait, see what price action gives us. Let's see. The only thing I didn't like is on the daily. We rejected. Or no, I guess we did hold above it. So last time we closed above the 21 EMA on the daily was February 25th. So just keep that in mind. We could potentially see upside from in the test into the higher ranges. We are still in a range though overall. Yeah, it is. It's paid. Which Tradeify funded path do you recommend? Select daily 50K or select flex 50K? I think daily payouts are pretty cool. The only thing is I'm trying to think of the rules when it comes to the select 50s. Honestly, they're both good. Let me ask you this: would you try to make more if you had daily payouts? Ask yourself that. So I honestly, just from what is very popular, is the daily selects. So I say do the daily selects. You know what also might help you too is that there is a loss limit. So yeah. All you do for a stop loss and trade evade is on the chart, you left click, and then you put a stop. That's literally it. Yep. I mean, I don't think there's a problem with the max payout being 1,000 a day. Your trailing is 2,000 loss limit, 1,000. Honestly, I think you're good if you do end up if you want to do those selects. Side by side comparison, I like the selects better. Or the daily select. How was your guys' New York session? You guys catch any winners? Nice. Yeah, that 25,000 bounce this morning was nice. It was fast, but it's right here. That was a big bounce. Happened fast, but if you were able to catch it, I like that 25,000. I took shorts up here at not right now, not right now, not right now. I'm saying earlier for New York, I took shorts at like I think like 98, and I did not hold them though. I think I took most of them off at like 68. I caught like 30 points only. I'm only gonna be around for an hour today, guys. I have to go look at this house. I'm moving, so I gotta go look at this house at 5 or 5:30 actually. So I'll be on for an hour total, so like 40 more minutes. Yeah, Benson. I'm drinking sparkling water. LaCroix. It's probably your sound settings, Roger. If you can't hear me. I think we're gonna push up just based on where we're at. It might take a while, but tomorrow I think we'll push past. My reasoning is because we're in a big consolidation that kind of looks like consolidation to the up, and I feel like we're really waiting on tomorrow's news. That's why we're so choppy today. But I think we could definitely push up, or maybe push down, test this 21 EMA on the daily, and then push up further. Unless we just have a day like this, like the 26th. It was, if you weren't there for like that first hour, it didn't really get good after that. Asia's been kind of trash these last couple weeks. Really, since this month. We had some good days in February. Honestly, based off of today, with the whole overall direction, I think we could push up, but one, I feel like we might just chop because we're waiting for those news. And two, it's kind of hard to say when we have supply zone up here. I usually look for something based on EMAs, price levels, as well as fibs. Not really seeing too much right now. It's kind of hard to trade Asia when we have a lot of chop. I wonder what the FOMC meeting is going to say tomorrow. Nope, haven't taken anything yet. We're just chilling. Yep, our old friend, 25,000. If you guys look at this level, let's see. Let's just draw a, turn it on. Alright, here, we're gonna make this, Discord, we're gonna make this a solid line that's very thick. Okay, look how long we've been trading around this, in this level for. We first came and touched it February 4th. And if we keep doing this and with the continuance like this, we're going to be basically in this zone of just touching 25,000 almost every single day for the next going on 2 months if we do this for another 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, 2.5 if you want to call it. Literally just been sticking around this level. I can show you guys to YouTube. So if you guys go to the hour and you put in horizontal line, 25,000. Look how long we've been touching this. Since, yeah, the 4th. We first touched it. And we've just been touching it almost every single day. Pretty wild. Now we just got a huge white line. I think we could potentially see some longs. What I'd like to see though is us break above this like 30, come back in, test 20 for a move up to like 60. That's ideally what I'd like to see for longs. For shorts, it's kind of hard to say. We were just bouncing wherever. Like we bounced right here, 24,892. Bounced on here, 946. It's kind of wild. What's that? What's it? A trot reader? What is that? A tarot reader? I don't know what that means. Oh. Cool. Almost 30 minutes in, and honestly, we have been in a 30-point range so far. This is the range we've been in. We do have a gap in between the open and the close. Take this here. I think we filled it though. That's how fast we filled it. We opened here, popped up, and then pushed down. Yeah, I would. So, honestly, I can have opinion all I want for tomorrow's trading, but I don't know what the Fed's gonna do. I think there's a big chance we might leave rates. Let me check. Let's see. Federal Reserve has little to do. Markets are pricing a near zero chance that the rate-setting Federal Open Market Committee will be cutting at this meeting or in the near future. So they're saying that we're gonna keep them where they're at. Give me a second. You guys aren't gonna believe the call that I just got. So my little cousin has my auntie call me, and she wants to know, or he wants to know if Jacob really knows Spanish. If Jada knows Spanish. He just swears up and down that Jay doesn't know Spanish because he was trying to talk to him in Spanish. Motherphone. This market's kind of boring. Hit that 25,000. Yeah, he thinks he's Spanish. Discord is faster. I don't know where Jen is tonight. It's not Wednesday. I don't know what she's doing. She probably has some family obligation or something she's doing. We're starting to push down. Still not down a lot. Huh. Could be a break to the downside from this trend line. Don't like it just yet. Till we get below this 982. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, fuck. My bad, guys. I think I need a co-host. I need Brandon or somebody to hop on with me. Guys, I am so sore. Those workouts I've been doing with Jadon, they have me cooked. Chris, what do you mean? I use the ELP strategy, so EMAs, levels, and price action. When it chops, though, we don't have much confirmation at all when we're just chopping. It could, Roger, but like the thing you gotta realize, bro, is we've been chopping. We chopped all over New York, so we need a clear break out of the ranges before we actually pick a direction. Like, who's to say that we don't just wake up out of this and push back up to 2507, 25027? What's up, Donald? How's it going, man? This is kind of boring. We're just waiting. I wonder how the markets are going to be this summer for Asia. I can actually go look. Let me see. Let's go to random day. They're kind of choppy for the first hour or so, but yeah. Well, they have some movement. Go back to July. Yeah, damn, the markets kind of moved nice in the summer. They moved decent. They're not terrible at all. I think really coming in post 6 would be better in the summer. 31 to 280. Kind of excited for summer, but I know it's going to be hot. Yeah, I did one. I had Texas Tech one, and don't ask me how. Nope, I haven't taken a position yet. There's not really much to take right now. It's been choppy. We might not have a trade today, guys. depending on how the market looks. I mean, we did close a 15-minute outside of my trend line. I'm not really a trend line trader, but it's like 10 could be good for some shorts. It's 25, 0, 10. I might potentially. I might go watch the World Baseball Classic. The USA versus Venezuela. In stages is where it goes where I go live. Still out to 25,000 zone, literally. Honestly, at this point, I wouldn't even call it just a zone. I just call it a magnetic level where we gravitate to. Came up, tested at 25,000, started pushing back down. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, rollover week does in fact affect it. Nothing yet. We're still just chilling, hanging out. If you guys have any questions, I'm willing to answer right now too. While we're just chilling. Trying to test this 25,000 again. Yeah, honestly, I don't blame you. I don't trade YouTube, guys. Or what am I talking about? Trade YouTube. I was reading and talking at the same time. I don't trade FOMC. Is anybody else on that same motion? Anybody else trade FOMC? Yeah, I don't touch it. I've been smoked so many times. I got a story for you guys. So back when I first started trading, I was probably like 3 months in, maybe 2 months in. I was trading options. This was back in like 2021. I remember so we used to do this thing where you take calls and you take puts. So buy three contracts of long or calls, three contracts of puts. And what you do is when the calls go up, you sell it, and then when the shorts go down, you sell it. So when that day, I remember it was March 2021, our FOMC meeting, we had a move up. I sold my contracts for like $300 profit. My longs. Wait, I'm trying to think. Hold on, let me check. I think I can check on my phone. Sure, I still have access to those. Let me see. I'm trying to think how I did it. No, I'm not in the trade. Let's see what day it was. I don't know if I have access to that day. No, I didn't think I'd go to those days. No, I can't. Let's see. Oh, it was 2022. Actually, let's see. What day was it? Let's see. I'm curious now. I'm locked in. Let's see. Dude, how do I have that many records? Alright, so 15 minutes before the news, I got it pulled up now. I bought one call, or 1, 2, 3. Well, hold on, wait. 1, 2, 3 calls and 2 puts. Wait. Why did I say 4? 1, 2, 3. It says 4 out of 4. I don't know why it says that. 1, 2, only have 3. That's weird. Anyways, so I bought 1, 2, 3. I bought 3, or no, I bought 4. I bought 4 calls at 317, or 2 at 317, 1 at 312, and another at 312. So my average was probably like 315. Okay. So my average was 315 on those calls. I sold, and then I bought puts too. I bought 2 puts, one at 359 and the other at 353. So my average was like 356. Okay. So I sold the puts. So I remember we shot down instantly. I sold those puts at 428. So I made, let's see, 428 minus 356 times 2. So I made $144 on the puts. And then I sold those calls. This is on SPY. I sold those calls at, remember, my average was 4, or no, my average was like 315. Let's call it 315. I sold all 4 of those calls at 135 at the bottom. Literally at the exact bottom. So 315 minus 135 times 4, 720, and then I made like 140 or something like that. I took like a $500 loss, and I was only 3 days in. Or not 3 days in, 3 months in on SPY. That day made me want to quit trading forever. And it's crazy because fast forward now 4 years, and I'm about to have like over 10K this month just in payouts. Like, it's crazy how things change. I should post that. What day was this? The 16th, so it was yesterday. That's crazy, guys. March 16, 2020. Oh, I can't even go back that far. Huh. Wednesday, March. Oh, look, I got the PDF right here, too. I don't think I have the... Let me see. It's crazy looking at all this data from when I traded options. That's crazy, guys. Yeah, I only do futures now. Hello. Yeah, it's crazy how things could change. I'm not putting out ads on how much I lost today. I was talking about the FOMC that I traded in 2022. Putting out ads for more sub money. I don't even think YouTube shows ads. I don't know. I have premium. This is not monetized, I don't believe. Whatever you say, little bro. That's crazy, guys. Nope. We're just, honestly, we're consolidating. I don't have nothing. But I'm about to get out of here. I have a meeting here at 5:30. I might get on later. I'll let you guys know. If you guys have any questions, DM me on Instagram, DINERO_trades. Yeah, but talk to you guys soon. Peace.